Hi, how are you, my good and wonderful people? My name is Hadasa Amina, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, guys, feel welcomed. And on today's video, I'm just going to show you how to give your hair some curls. So, my hair is relaxed. Yes, and that's how my hair looks like. I'm just going to show you that is how my hair looks like. And what I've just done, I've washed my hair, dried it a little bit because I really want it to be done, okay, in order for the curls to appear. And then I've applied coconut oil, and I've also applied leave-in treatment since my hair is relaxed. Or also, if your hair is not relaxed, you can still use them. So for leave-in and coconut, for the oil, for me I prefer coconut oil. I also have an avocado oil, but today I decided to use coconut oil. So you can use either, yeah, depending on what you like. Okay, yeah. So for the treatment, I just use leave-in treatment. So that is what I've done so far here. So after that, I partitioned my hair because I really wanted to. I partitioned it this way because I want to have this part and I want to have this part. And since I don't want this hair to come this side, I'll have to clip it. What I'm going to do, like, literally, it's just something easy. So you partition your hair. I'll just be partitioning my hair just like that. It's not a must for it to be clear, or as long as you partition it well, the rest doesn't matter. So after that, I'm going to use my comb to hold that for me. So after that, I'll divide this hair into two. This one, I'll put it there. So I've partitioned this hair. Okay, so I'm just to comb it very fast, and after that, twist it. The normal twist. Yeah, so I'm just going to twist it just like that. Yes, normal twist. So after twisting it, now I've twisted my hair. Now I'm going to tighten it from the roots, and then I'm going to roll it just like that, creating the bantu knot, like, okay. So that is what I'll be doing, okay, just simple. So now I'm going to take the other part that I had partitioned, give it a twist, and I'll be going very fast because I don't want the dampness in my hair to dry. And in case your hair gets dry, you spray a little bit of water to give you the dampness. If you really want to get good results, kindly make sure your hair is wet, is done. Yeah, so exactly the same way. Then if you really want this button to last you longer, you can apply gel. Yeah, you can apply gel and then twist with the gel, so it will last you even up to 1 week. But this normal way, it lasts me for 2 or 3 days, and then my hair goes back to normal. So that is what I'm really going to, that's what I'll be doing the rest of my hair. And remember, I've just portioned my hair small size because I want the front part to have the smaller curls. So the rest of my hair, I'll partition it anyhowly, okay. Yes, it doesn't matter. You can even partition it with your hands. So guys, I'll just wait. Since I'm doing this at around 4 p.m. I'll sleep with them. Yes, so I'll sleep with them and I'll be undoing them tomorrow very early in the morning. So tomorrow, as I go and run my errands, this will be my hairstyle that I'll be undoing tomorrow. So since I want them to stay intact, I'll wear this wig. Since I'm indoors, I'm not going outside today. I'm just indoors. And wait for them to dry. So I'll show you the results tomorrow, how I'll be looking. Hi guys, so good morning. So as I told you yesterday that I was going to undo my bantu knots today, so that's what I'm going to do right now. So I have some hair food and I'll be using that to undo my bantu knots. See, just apply a little bit of hair food. The results, these are the results, and you can see the hair, like, it gains volume, you know. Yeah, it looks like a wig, but it's not. This is my hair, look at it. This is my hair, and it depends with how you want to style it. You can style it the way you want it to be. So you can also, guys, you can also use a bandana, or you can also style it in different ways. So I'm just going to use these. Okay. So guys, that was it from me today. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave a comment down below. Bye bye.